Tes tes.
Hello.
Hello, Mister.
Hello. Alright. I think 8 minutes.
Okay.
Fair.
Bismillah.
Bisa.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Dr.
wabarakatuh.
Hamid. Nah,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
iya, adikku Hasan.
Welcome back to
Jadi,
Weekend English Talk. And today we will be talking with Mr. Hussein Alhamid.
hello everyone.
Hello.
Hello, Mister.
How are you, Mister?
Okay. I'm fine. How about you all?
Alhamdulillah. Fine.
Alhamdulillah, good.
Alhamdulillah. Do you ever see me or look at me?
I think
Yeah,
every other day. Yeah, I think. Yes.
All right. So how about the timeline or the schedule for conversation? This one, I'm directly start the conversation or how?
I think
I
just
think,
directly start. Just directly start.
yeah.
Hmm?
Just directly start.
Start.
Yes.
Yes.
Alright. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. So there is no audience here, yeah. And
Yes.
then we will be upload the video on the YouTube. It's like that.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So what is our topic today?
How to get visa and work in Australia with
Australia.
more than 60 million pay.
All right. Yeah, how to get a visa and then work in
In Australia.
Australia and get the salary up to 60 million a month.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. So actually, I have since here last month, yeah, or we can say 1 month. I'm living here, exactly in Sydney, and then how to how what is it? How was to get the visa and then what is it? Work in Australia. The question and the answer is, if you know, there are the program or even uh, both of government from Australia and also Indonesia, and the name is working holiday visa. Yeah, working holiday visa. So we are here use the visa working and holiday. The name is working and holiday. What is the meaning working and holiday? Bekerja dan liburan. Yeah, all right. So there are what is it? Uh, three years. I have visa working holiday visa here 3 years, but every year I have to work outside. We can say outback. So it's not in the city. It's not in the city area. Outback is like farm or what is that? Uh, if you know, it's like meat factory in Indonesia, pabrik daging lah gitu. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Pabrik daging or farm, yeah. We can say pabrik daging in here, meat yeah, or chicken fact. And then if you wanna continue the second or the third year, so you have to finish it or complete it the what is it the rules, and then 90 days, or we can say 90 days. What is it? If we continue the second year, so we have to finish three months. And if we want to continue the third year, so we have to finish or complete 6 months. It's like that. 6 months in the outback. It's not in the city. But now I'm in the city, in Sydney.
Okay.
Get it? My point?
Got it. Got it.
All right. So that's if you have got the visa. So how our prepare to get the visa? So you can search. The first one is you can search in the Google or on the Google. WHV or WHV, WHW. Yeah. What's that? Sorry, WHV. Yeah. Working holiday visa. Yeah. Working holiday visa. And you have to prepare. What is that? Money. Yeah. Or you have to save your money up to $50 million. 5,000 Australia or Australian dollars. $5,000 Australian dollars, or we can say IUD, yeah, Australian dollars. 5,000 now. $1 is 12. You can see in the Google. 12 12,500. 12,500. What's it in rupiah or IDR? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So if you have to save money $5,000, maybe you have to save, yeah, 62 million dollar or $65 million
Sounds like
now. Yeah, but at the time I just only 50, sorry, 60. Yeah, at the time 65 million dollar, but at the time I have saved my money, $50 million. Yeah, only $50 million. But now dollar increase, and then what is it? You have to save money in rupiah more than last year. You get it, my point?
so become more expensive here.
Yep, yeah, become more expensive. And actually, here we don't need to speak English everywhere and everyone, because a lot of people here just only focus on their own business. So if you have arrived in Australia, so you can see the people here just focus their own business. So we are also.
Oh, okay.
You get it, my point?
Get it. Get it.
We are here just focus on our job and our task. So it's not conversation only. It's not conversation every day, everywhere, not. But if you want to practice here, that's possible. But the English Australian accent is different. You get it? And our English is, what is it? We can say slow. Yeah, yeah, very slowly. Okay. And then how to get the money? $60 a month, right? Yeah. Actually, last year, yeah, or 2 years ago, a month is only 50 million rupiah. Yeah, we can get 50 million rupiah, but now, yeah, we can get 60 or more than $50 million, a million rupiah. Why? Because of rupiah is, was it decrease? Yeah, yeah, rupiah is decrease. Rupiah now, yes, like I said at the time, yeah, $1 now 12 and 500,000. Yeah, you get it, my point?
Get it. Get it.
And and how to work in Australia. So I can say, actually, Here, when you arrive here, there is no job. So
There
you
is no.
have to. There is no job. Yeah. So the the government only give you the visa. The
Oh,
government only give you visa, working holiday visa at the time I said to you. And if you come in Australia, so there is no job actually the first month. Yeah. So you have to struggle. You have to be struggle to get the job. You have to looking. You have to be, what is it, looking for the job everywhere. You can give your resume uh, door by door or door to door. Yeah. You can go to the restaurant or something like that. Yeah. And give your resume. If you have, what is it, rezeki, yeah, you will be called by the company or by the restaurant. That's the manually. Yeah. And that's work. Yeah. It's not only online application. So you have to go outside and door to door and give your resume. uh, but the different one, the different, what is it, the different thing between Australia and Indonesia is are, yeah. The first is, if you work as like Uber or GoSend, yeah, in Australia, so you can save your money, or you can get the salary a month 50 until 60 million rupiah. That's same effort exactly. Yeah. If you work as like in a slash restaurant or a company or midfac or farm or Uber here, the salary amount is same, because of Australia system is, I think, good system. It's not what is it? It's not like Indonesia. I'm so sorry. I can say like this because of that's the real. Yeah. I work in Indonesia. Yeah. A month. Yeah. Only 3 million. Eh? 3 million. But the different, what is the different level maybe, yeah. Because before I went to the Australia last week, last year, last month, I'm sorry, last month, I got the salary from the company after I have resigned from ADN. I got the company, or what is it? We can say foundation, uh, up to 10 million a month. Me. So actually I can get more than, yeah, but Australia is still better for my opinion.
it is.
So that's why I resigned, or I finished the job, and then I, what is it, processing to went to the Australia in the 1st of April exactly. So now is a 1 month, yeah. So the 4th of April I have, what is it, arrived in Australia or Sydney airport. You get it?
It is.
So this one is half a month, right? I have a month here, but the salary 60 or 50. That's, we can say, how to say in English, yeah. Kotor. It's not.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. It's not clear. We can say in here. We can say before tax. Yeah, before
oh,
tax.
before
Jadi
taxes.
sebelum pajak. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
60 million rupiah. That's before tax. So if you have cat, or not cat, or if you have cut to rent and then what's it, need, yeah, for daily activity here, and then after tax maybe you can save your money 2 million, 2 million, 20 until 6 until 30 million rupiah a month.
Okay, okay.
It's still better, right?
Much better.
Yeah. By the way, yeah, I have, yeah, 2 until 30 million a man here. You can, was it, count by yourself. Yeah, if we stay here until 1 year, 2 years, and then 3 years, yeah, it's still less. So you can apply PR. PR, the meaning is permanent, yeah, permanent resident. So you can apply the visa for, not visa exactly, from PR, permanent resident. So after we have finished 3 years, you can go or continue in Australia with student visa or PR or sponsor, like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. Is there any question, maybe? Actually, just it, yeah. If you know, before me here, I'm now here is the first year in my visa. But if you know my friends in junior high school as well, exactly, he was teacher as well. You know, who's
Atrafi.
that?
Rafi.
Yep, yeah, Ustaz Rafif. Now in Australia has been the second year.
Oh, second year.
Yep, I'm the first year. My brother, the young brother, gets the second year. That's same with Usarafif. But Usarafif in Melbourne. I'm in
Oh,
Sydney.
Oh,
Different, what's it? State. Yeah. We can say state. State in Indonesia is like provinsi. Yeah,
okay.
like that. So maybe uh next time you can ask Mr. Firman to ask Usarafif and sharing he experience in Australia, because he have a lot of experience, because he has been here more than 1 year, right?
Yes.
I'm just one man here. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, in my brain, there are a lot of questions, and the first question is why Mr. Firman called me.
Yes.
Yeah, he has friend. He has friend. Mr. Rafi. He was here more than me. Yeah, long, more than 1 year. That's what is it? A long time ago. Yeah, last year. I think 2024. Yeah,
Yes.
in 2024, he went to Australia. I think it's same with my brother. I think, but if I'm wrong, yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah. So next time you can call Ustad Rafif, like that maybe. If you have question, maybe, if, yeah, I will answer inshallah.
This if want to get work and holiday visa,
One microphone.
if want to get
Ahlan wa
work
khair.
and
Alhamdulillah. Can you repeat it, please?
if you want to get work and holiday visa, must get certificate English or not?
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah, that's good question. The answer is yes. Yeah. Uh, yeah, you can try. Actually, it's not only speak up. Yeah, it's not only speak up. If you wanted to, if you wanna, what is it? Uh, Apply or test or make a schedule, IELTS test or PTE academic or something like that, so TOEFL, yeah. So you have to, it's not only practice speak up, but you have to be conscious of grammar and then writing. Yeah, exactly, four part, yeah. Listening, writing, grammar, listening, writing, was it, speaking, and also reading.
Oh,
So you have to practice this one. Actually, 2024, 2022, I went to Pare. I went to Pare. I spent my time with my family there, study about English. After that, after I had the after I had graduate from basic English course Pare, my English is very very well. But I take IELTS, guys, 2025. So after three years,
Oh,
so
wait,
my
three
English
years
is
old.
have been lost because I don't practice. Yeah,
Yes.
I didn't practice. Yeah, because I didn't practice. So how how did I get the certificate? The answer is two weeks. Yeah, I think 2 weeks. I have prepared myself to study, to practice, as like question, reading, listening, speak up, yeah, speaking, and then writing. I try. Alhamdulillah, my score that's enough. B1 or 5.5, not 5, 4.5. Yeah, 4.5. I got it. What's it, the score or the band? Then B1, then that's enough to apply visa, working holiday visa. Alhamdulillah. After 3 years, I didn't practice English at all. Yeah. Alhamdulillah. So now you are junior high school, right?
Yes.
What is grade you?
Grade 8.
8? Okay. So 8th grade or grade 8, you have practiced your English everywhere in at IDN boarding school. That's very, very well. Yeah. So you can practice and practice. But remember, if you wanna take hello, Hypes. Okay, forward. Yes. Hassan, all right. Thank you. The pin? Oh, I'd say. Oh yeah? Wait a minute. Wait a minute, right? Hassan? Wait a minute. Nah, kayak gitu tuh. Kayak gitu tuh. It's like that. Yeah. The work only give what's it? Wait a minute. Hassan. Hassan? Where's Hassan? Hassan? Di belakang. Hassan. Uber. Nanti pesan Uber. Ada pinnya itu. Sorry ya. You can pause exactly. That's why I go outside. Yeah. You can see. It's yours.
Thank you.
Okay.
Never. Thank you.
Thank you. Terus the student.
Students, lagi ngajar apa nih, Syekh?
No Black. No ngajar. Sharing.
Sharing-sharing aja.
Sharing aja. Okay.
Bahasa Inggris ini.
Hello.
Hello?
We just practice English here as like this. It's not every day, everywhere not. So we just conversation. Hi, is it yours? Just, but that's good. Good. What is it? Good practice lah ya. Good practice. And now I work as like that. So I take the food or something like that and I give to the house. But the salary until 50 and from the 50 up to 60,000 60 million rupiah. Yeah, 60 million rupiah. It's like that. Yeah, because of why? Because of system in Australia. That's really really good. I think that's more from my opinion. Yeah, because I have brother. I mean, I have family. Yeah, he is 1 month. Yeah, 1 million. That's alhamdulillah. Uh, yeah, that's different. All right. We can continue our conversation before about English test, yeah, or IELTS. So we can, what is it? If you have practice at IDN boarding school to speaking English, and then, what is it? Try to study about grammar. That's good. Yeah, that's really good. So you can focus to speak up. After that, remember, if you wanna get the test, IELTS test, you need to practice more about the questionnaire. It's like, what is it? Reading and listening. That's the question and the answer. It's like multiple choice. You get it?
Get it.
And then speaking, you conversation with the native speaker or something like that. Yeah, because it's not really native speaker. I last year when I was it practice English and I practice English. Was it when I took the English test or IELTS test, I met with not native speaker. He was as like Chinese, but
Oh,
the what's it? The pronunciation is really good. So that's different with PTE. PTE academic, that's same like what's it? Same certificate. I mean IELTS, TOEFL, that's same words. So there is PTE. PTE. That's easier. That's easier if you wanna get the certificate international in English. English certificate. English international certificate. Yeah, like that. I forgot, sorry. Okay.
okay.
All right. Is there any question again? I'm so sorry.
If the system in Australia before like what?
Sorry, one microphone, sorry.
This
Okay.
what system in Australia before that you say?
System in Australia. System
Yes.
in Australia?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, it means if you work everywhere in Australia, even in the city or in the outback pelosoknya, salary is same,
Not different ya.
not different. A month you will get the money, yeah, 60 million rupiah.
Oh,
You get it my point? Why? Because of the system. I don't know how the system, but that's the real activity here. I have friend in outback. They're outside. Oh, is it outback? So far from city. We can say 1 until 2,000 kilometers. Yeah,
oh,
from
very far ya.
city. There is no everything. There is no what is it? There is no thing in the outback. We only walk in midpack on farm and then go back in the house. That's it. If you wanna if you wanna buy something like that, it's like food or something like that, you have to what is it? If you have to drive maybe 100 kilometers. You get it my
Oh,
point? That's
get
outback.
it.
But the salary it's same. Nah, the salary it's same even you living in the city or in the outback. How? Yeah, I can say that's because of the system in Australia. You get it my point?
Get it.
All right. And then uh oh, what happened?
Oh wait.
Okay, we can continue. Continue or waiting?
Wait. He join again. Nah. Okay.
Okay. All right. And then uh the system. The system is like ADN boarding school. I can say like that, yeah. It's not ADN boarding school exactly, but it's like uh what is it? IT. Well, if you not work in IT, it's like RPL, TKJ, or TKV, you need to get certificate, right?
Yes.
Ah, here everything you need a certificate.
Oh, must get ya.
Everything, yeah. Even you work as like construction, tukang, tukang. You need to get the certificate. That's different with Indonesia, right? Indonesia nggak pakai baju.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here you have to use the helmet and then boots. Yeah. Boots like this. Wait a minute. Uh, that's one of the boots. Yeah, but is what's it? That's so hard. This one, the boot is so hard. Yeah, we have to use use the uniform when we work, even in the road or in the building. Everywhere there are the rules. Yeah, it's like EDN, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So if you have experience at IDN boarding school, I think you will be not was it shocked. You will not shocked if you are work uh in the abroad. I mean, ya nggak akan kaget kalau udah terbiasa di IDN, keluar you will be not shocked ya. Nggak akan kaget gitu.
Yeah.
Because you have experience at IDN, that's similar lah. Similar as like you work in the abroad. Yeah, just it. Maybe the answer was it clear, or you have other question maybe?
Maybe my friend have question, I think.
Yeah, okay, it's okay. Please.
Uh, are you good in Australia, Mister? The vibes.
The vibes?
Yes.
The vibes in Australia. Actually, every state that's different vibes.
Mm.
Every state that's different vibes. In the city and outback, they're different vibes. So, yeah, I just live in city, exactly in Sydney area, and then I have went to the outback, namely is Tamworth area, Tamworth. That's different vibes. So if you ask me, how about me? I can say, yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, but don't think Australia is one vibes, not. That's different vibes. Sydney area, that's different. Ustad Raufif in the, what is it, Melbourne or Victoria area, Victoria State, that's different. And then Perth, yeah, Western Australia, that's different again. That's different. Queensland is different again. So every state is different. It's like you in Indonesia, Jawa Barat, yeah, Jawa Tengah, Jawa Timur, that's different vibes, right?
Yes.
Even that's Indonesia. You go to Bali, that's different vibes. You go to Lombok, that's different vibes. It's like that. So how about me? Yeah, inshallah, I can say it, it's good here, good. Yeah, Alhamdulillah. Uh, Now, was it winter,
Yeah.
Oh,
winter? Yeah. So almost every day we need to wear the jacket. Yeah. Yep. So that's good, I think.
Yeah.
You can see on the YouTube maybe like that. Yeah, it's like Australia, how to vibes Australia in Sydney, and then Melbourne. That's different. Everything, everywhere different. But me, alhamdulillah, everywhere I'm good, inshallah. And we still can pray. That's good. Yeah. Here, alhamdulillah, a lot of people, a lot of Muslim here. Alhamdulillah. I mean, if every I drive on the road in the Sydney, was it I meet someone Muslim. Gitu. How I can identity was it identify the people that's Muslim or not? Exactly in what is it Muslimah? Of course, yeah. Jilbab, yeah. That's enough. If man, yeah. So sometimes he said salam, yeah. He
Oh,
said salam,
okay.
yeah. And every Jum'ah prayer, the masjid or the mosque, that's full, yeah. Every mosque in Sydney full, but what's it? Even though what is it? There are part people, so there are part to Jum'ah to pray Jum'ah. You get my point? Yeah,
Kidding.
but yeah, here it's like LGBT. That's like Homer. That's like yeah, everything that's maksiat legal di sini. Yeah, illegal here. But if we have, yeah, so you have to prepare your akidah. You have to prepare your what is it iman. Yeah. So don't be what is it sleepy if you study akidah or dinia in Aida and boarding school. Okay. If you're
Okay,
sleepy,
okay.
you go to a board. Yeah. So that's I think problem will be come to you because a board is free. Yeah. If you're not looking what is it beer, there is. Yeah. If you're not looking woman, there is. LGBT, there is. Everything free. So how we can handle ourselves like that?
Okay, okay.
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 All right. Okay. Is there any question?
I think
Enough?
Wait, wait. Wait. Uh, this sir, if
Yep.
in Australia very hot or no? If summer.
No. Now in Sydney, exactly a lot of what's it state winter.
Oh, winter.
Yeah. But some states get the what is it ice, yeah, apa salju. Yeah. Some state sebagian. It's like Victoria. It's like Nusa Tropif. That's winter will be what's it in 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 there will be what is it winter turun salju.
Oh,
I can say the in English. Sorry.
yes.
Yep. Yeah. Yeah. But in Sydney, as like Sydney, Queensland, there is no salju. How to salju? Huh?
Snow, snow.
Snow.
Yes.
Snow. Okay. Yep. There is no snow. Yeah. But
Oh,
in what is it? In Darwin, Queensland, there. Yeah. Near of Indonesia, and then yeah, near of Indonesia. That's namely Darwin. That's only two what is it? Two weather. Yeah. Two weather. It's like Indonesia. Yeah. Raining and summer.
oh, okay,
Darwin,
okay.
Darwin area. So different places, different state, different vibes. In Sydney, only cool. Yeah, only cool, but it's not. There is no what is it? There is no snow in Sydney area. Get it?
Get it.
All right. So maybe two 2 months after 2 months later or 3 months later, yeah, you can ask Ustad Raufif to meet you, and then there are snow maybe there. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Is there any question? If not, that's enough.
Wait.
Is it enough, the information from me?
I think enough then.
Enough.
Enough? Yeah, I'm so
Yes.
sorry. Yeah, if there is a lot of mistake about it,
Yes.
exactly. Yeah. Uh, Ustad Mr. Firman, exactly. Yeah, today, yeah, this morning in Sydney, he called me and asked me suddenly. So yeah, Bismillah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, Mr.
All right. So maybe I will give the back. I will give you the back. What's it, the time to you?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So that's all for today's weekend English talk. Thank you for your time, Mr. Hussein. That's all for
Yaps.
today.
Welcome. Thank you.
That's all for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.